Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from TikTok videos. So there's this feature on TikTok where you can directly save your favorite TikTok videos from the app. So let's just find the TikTok app, the TikTok videos that I want to save first. Okay, let's find it. Okay, for example, here I'm going to save this video. You can click on a share button and there will be this option, save video. But then if you directly save a video from TikTok, when you see it on your gallery, there will be watermark attached on the video just like this. So how you can remove that? So I'm suggest you thing you here. So what you need to do is not use that save video feature on TikTok. So what you need to do here, the same, click on the share button, but then copy the link of the video. So not save video, but copy the link. And then you can just go back to your home screen. Here there are two methods. First, you can use a third-party app, or you can just use your browser to find a TikTok video downloader on the web. So let's just use the web first. Here you can just click on this Google search and then just find TikTok video downloader. This one's right here, and there will be lots of options that you can use to have your TikTok video without a watermark. For example, I'm going to just use this first ones right here. You can see you can just paste the TikTok link in here and on the box, then tap on download. So in here you'll see the preview of the video that you want to save. Then you can just click on this download button and the video will be downloading. Now it has been successfully downloaded. You can just find it on your gallery, and then this is the video, and it will show video without TikTok watermark. So that's pretty easy, right? I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, especially if you want to save your TikTok video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.